For today's video, I'm going to share with you how to paint anime using acrylic paint. But first, let's start with the materials. I'll be using canvas pad, tape, gesso, acrylic paint, pencil, and of course, water and paint brushes. Now that our materials are ready, let's prepare the canvas sheet by putting tape all over the edge so that it will not move while we are working with paint. So after that, let's apply the gesso, and I usually apply it 2 times in different directions. Once the gesso is dry, now the canvas is ready for the outline drawing. So I'll just do it real quick. Wow, it works! So now, let's mix some paint that I'll be using for the background and skin. So this is how it looks like. So now, let's apply it to the canvas. I usually apply paint 2 times once I get the thickness that I want, and also I start with the light color to dark colors.
Yeah, what's good, bro? You popping out tonight? You playing the crib? I know your ass probably staying in the crib, nigga.
Say no more, you already know.
Pop out, nigga.
I'm on my way.
Never stop, never settle. I got Henny all in my cup. I'm on top, I'm on the level, yeah. I'm tryna get to the back. Got it on lock, got it on smash, yeah. She tryna holler what's up. I'm with the shits, decide when you want your...
Now I'm going to apply all the maroon and black color in this drawing, and I will be applying it all at once so that we will not mix for this color again.
I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way. Yo, some gushers in the crusher. Now that's a head buster. Yeah, she bad, but I don't trust her. Probably think I'm gon' cuff her, but I ain't no lover boy. All these girls love the boy. Shout out to my Uncle Troy, he bout to have another boy. So enjoy just being in the room, especially when they be hoping you lose. I been that nigga, don't get it confused. Niggas wishing they could walk in my shoes. Living you learn, you pick and you choose. Been on my humble, I'm keeping it cool. Talking my money, then pull up a stool. Follow your dreams, then go back to school. Whoa, still on my grind.
I'm going to add also the lining for Tanjiro's face because I'm really excited to see the end result.
Came from the road, we from the dirt, turn to a dime. Never stop, never settle. I got Henny all in my cup. I'm on top, I'm on the level, yeah. I'm tryna get to the back. Got it on lock, got it on smash, yeah. She tryna holler what's up. I'm with the shits, this how it is, yeah. When you on your way up, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way.
Now let's proceed coloring the sword. So I'll be applying black, white, and gray paint together with other parts that has the same color.
Know how I play, they still tryna do what I did. Tryna keep up, tell them it's up. Runs packed, but they smoking on mid. Pop your top, boy, we knock off your lid. Bent up, need my chips with a dip. Take notes, you can learn you a thing. Hot inside, I don't be making a scene. Vibe a track, you can see how they cling. Set the table, you gon' see what I bring. I got a lot, keep me a knot. Staying hungry every day is a feast. Fuck up the spot, don't make it hot. Coast to coast, but we reppin' the east. Yeah, yeah, still on my grind, taking my time. Stars aligning. We going hard, we came far, it's perfect timing, yeah. ISO, we going up, we from the islands, yeah. Came from the rub, we from the dirt, turned to a diamond. Never stop, never settle. I got Henny all in my cup. I'm on top, I'm on the level, yeah. I'm tryna get to the back. Got it on lock, got it on smash, yeah. She tryna holler what's up. I'm with the shits, this how it is, yeah.
So I noticed that the hair is so dark and I'm not satisfied with it. So I'll be applying much lighter maroon color so that the signature hair of Tanjiro will pop up. Now, I'll be applying the green paint for the kimono, and I'll apply the dark layer for the shadow.
Go and try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up, got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that ass be poking out them jeans up and sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame, heard you barking up. This the wrong tree, I got the strings, yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained, now they walking up. Trying to put the face to the name. Pull up and I and I'm swerving. If a nigga try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under rugs like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging. Wrap a nigga like a motherfucking turban. Yeah, these niggas all square like Irvin. Yeah, we grew up in the hood, no Suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, they want me to quit. Yeah, they want me to shift. But as long as I'm alive, we gon' keep on making hits. While they steady shooting bricks, man, it's lit. Yeah, it's lit. Me and Dale back to back, and yeah, I'm dishing the assist. Yeah, they talk a lot of shit, but we really with the shits.
Oops, the delivery came, so I will eat first because I'm very hungry right now. Now let's continue. I'm going to change the gray color that I paint for the kimono, and I'll be apply much darker gray paint because I want the green color to pop up.
Fireworks, I keep the flame, heard you barking up. This the wrong tree, I got the strings, yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained, now they walking up. Trying to put the face to the name. I'm in flex mode with the best, though. That's a major key, that's a chess move. I'm your favorite G, I think it's best, yo. Stop with all the grilling, I'm on jet fuel. Taking off, clear the runway, now they cannot clip my wings. Yeah, they soft, they ain't homie, they ain't even on the scene. Play it smart, they don't know me, they just know what they see. What it costs to get flea, but this style ain't free. It's that swag, just that splash. One wrong move, that's your ass. Do the dash, keep a stash, just in case they tryna flash. Never lag, we don't slack, tell her eyes running back. I don't brag, I'm relaxed, I'm not into all of that, yeah. It's really just the fam and my dogs. I just gotta make a call. I ain't into all that chatting, not at all. Yeah, I put that on the squad. We been out here going hard. We on deck, please don't make 'em. Go and try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that ass be poking.
So we are almost 90% done, and let's just finish by adding details for the belt and back of Tanjiro.
So clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got them rocking with me. I bet on me and my team. ISO is what I'm repping. Sending emojis, I'm blowing a pack of that OG. Don't be acting like you know me. And if you did, that's the old me. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down.
Finally, we are done. But still, I'm not satisfied with the background color. So I'm going to change it with light color so that it will give more contrast to the painting. So this is it. So enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.
I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier,